So we start now. We were to start with secondary markets. If you remember, we were having a recap session of all the topics that we had done, right? So that we are in touch. So now, since my syllabus is not very vast, I can afford to do this, right? एक बार सिखाया, दो बार भी सिखा सकती हूँ. So I'm repeating because after I finish the recap, I'll have only derivatives market, commodities market, foreign exchange market. ये तीन topics ही होंगे जो मैं 6-7 lecture में खत्म कर सकती हूँ. That is why I said I will start all over again with a recap session. Are you getting benefited by that?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we were to talk about capital market. मेरे को जितना याद है, right? We finished with money market, capital market. So अभी capital market जो है, हमारा long term funds जो है, funds which have a maturity period of over 1 year, right? It deals with that. Even perpetual existence हो सकता है, right? So can I share my whiteboard? You already have the notes. Along with that, I will share my whiteboard also. ठीक है? I will share my whiteboard.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Before we, secondary markets deal with securities that have been already sold in the primary market. मतलब issuer has already sold the security to the investor. ठीक है? Now the investor will sell it to investor, another investor. वापस कंपनी को नहीं बेचता है. समझ में आ रहा है? जब इन्वेस्टर टू इन्वेस्टर ट्रांजैक्शन हो रहा है, स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में क्या, यूर एक्सचेंजिंग द स्टॉक. समबडी हैज परचेज्ड इट, आई विल बाय इट फ्रॉम हिम. आई एम आल्सो एन इन्वेस्टर, ही वाज आल्सो एन इन्वेस्टर. ठीक है? तो ऐसे जब ट्रांजैक्शन होती है उसको बोलते हैं सेकेंडरी मार्केट ट्रांजैक्शन. ठीक है? सो डील्स विद सिक्योरिटीज that we talk that have been already sold by issuer to investor. ठीक है? अच्छा, between if you permit, मुझे एक और चीज बोलना था.
Yes, ma'am.
So now it is already sold by issuer to investor. ठीक है? So securities that have been already sold by issuer to investor, here the stocks get sold from investor to investor. ठीक है? Stock gets sold from investor to investor. This is a case of secondary market. ठीक है? This is what is secondary market. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, we were
Yes,
talk about capital market, right? So, sorry. Capital. We'll continue with this. Capital market deals. Time पे join करो. Deals with securities mute में चला गया था. You hear me now? You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Acha, see, capital market deals with securities having over 1 year of maturity period. ठीक है, 1 year से लेके perpetual existence बोलते हैं, perpetual existence मतलब ये सिक्योरिटी का मैच्योरिटी पीरियड 1 साल से ज्यादा होता है, और परपेचुअल एग्जिस्टेंस मतलब जब तक कंपनी जिंदा है तब तक ये सिक्योरिटी का भी वैल्यू है, राइट? सो वी से दैट those securities which have a long term maturity period, like what example can you say? Capital market ka securities, what securities does capital market deal with? Like equity share,
Preference share.
right? Preference shares.
Preference share.
So
Preventure.
yes, shares बोला तो आपको ओनरशिप ही है, राइट? पार्ट ओनरशिप. शेयर मतलब आई एम शेयरिंग द ओनरशिप. पार्ट ओनरशिप, शेयर रिप्रेजेंट्स पार्ट ओनरशिप. जितना शेयर है आपके पास उतना ओनरशिप है आपको कंपनी का. सो ऑब्वियसली एन ओनर कैन नॉट से आई वांट, आई मीन एक ही साल में मुझे इतना चाहिए, प्रॉफिट चाहिए, एक्सेट्रा. ही हैज टू वेट, राइट? सो प्रेफरेंस शेयर. डिबेंचर्स इज अ डेट इंस्ट्रूमेंट. जब आप लोन देते हो कंपनी को लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए, राइट? डिबेंचर्स. एंड देन डिबेंचर्स, बॉन्ड्स, राइट?
Bond.
राइट, ठीक है. सो ऑल दीज आर सेड टू बी कैपिटल मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट. एनी डाउट? So now
No, ma'am.
we talk about
No,
capital
ma'am.
market.
No,
Right?
ma'am.
Again, I'm going back to my word document. Capital market का क्या significance है? What are the functions of capital market? It helps the capital formation, right? Capital formation मतलब एक कंपनी को जब पहले चाहिए, पूंजी चाहिए, तो
ऐसा.
सॉरी,
वही मैम कैपिटल के लिए कंपनी को यूजफुल रहता है.
वेरी गुड. सो कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन मतलब एक कंपनी को जब कैपिटल चाहिए, स्टार्ट करना है बिजनेस, so it is going to start working there, right? It is going to operate with that capital that you give the company, right? So when it is going to operate with the capital that the company gets, it is going to create goods and services. वो रख के ही चालू करती है. So obviously it helps in providing capital to, I'm not able to share the screen. एक second. Is able to provide capital to the enterprises, correct? So इसके वजह से क्या होता है, इन्वेस्टर को भी एक रेवेन्यू मिल जाता है लॉन्ग टर्म, एंड इश्यूअर्स आल्सो गेट अ लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल. This is what we mean by capital market instrument. Just 1 second, I'm not able to share my screen. Okay. So do you see the screen here? And then
Yes, ma'am.
capital market जो है,
Yes.
बहुत सारे फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स वी जस्ट सॉ सम ऑफ देम मतलब उसमें भी सी यू हैव प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स के टाइप्स है, इक्विटी शेयर्स है, डिबेंचर्स के भी टाइप्स है, बॉन्ड्स के भी टाइप्स है. तो आपको कितने सारे वैरायटीज मिलते हैं, राइट? सो कंपनी कैन ऑल्सो रेज कैपिटल थ्रू वेरियस इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, अ वेराइटी ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, एंड इन्वेस्टर्स कैन ऑल्सो इन्वेस्ट थ्रू वेराइटी ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. Again, what happens is it is encouraging saving. As I told you, investment भी encourage करता है. काफी सारे avenues है. Supposing I don't want to invest in shares. Shares बहुत risky है, but at the same time I want to go in for a capital market investment. I might prefer a bond or a debenture. या मुझे money market में भी invest करना है. I can do it through mutual funds. Are you aware of that now? See, money market में generally I will not go in for an investment because corpus involved, yeah, amount of investment involved is very, very high. As a retail investor, I may not be able to afford it. So what I will do it through mutual fund. But then, if I want to invest in capital market, I have a variety of instruments, right? If I don't want to invest in bonds, I feel it is very slow, fixed return ही देता है, I might go in for equity shares, right? Or preference shares. समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
And then through stock exchange, there is again a intermediary stock exchange which is helping me to convert whatever I have invested, right? So whatever I have invested, I may anytime want to encash it. I may want liquidity. मैं कभी invest करूँगी? When I feel जब भी मुझे पैसा चाहिए मैं निकाल सकती हूँ, correct? Even FD में, if it is a 5-year FD, 2 साल में अगर पैसे की जरूरत हो, you can always go and withdraw, right? The same way, I should be able to withdraw the money anytime. Therefore, stock exchange जो है, it is helping me to encash it without a reduction in the market value, right? And apart from that, capital market में fund is mobilized to sector which is essential. जो कंपनी या जो सेक्टर में पैसे चाहिए, वो कंपनी कैपिटल रेज करती है अपनी फंक्शनिंग के लिए. जब कैपिटल रेज करती है तभी क्या होता है? इन्वेस्टर्स आर प्रॉम्प्टेड टू इन्वेस्ट इनटू दैट, राइट? कंपनी बोलती है मैं ये करूंगा और आगे जाके इसका बहुत अच्छा स्कोप है. ऑब्वियसली यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग अ कैपिटल टू द कंपनी. समझ में आ रहा है? आर यू फॉलोइंग?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the objectives of capital market regulation? Capital market is fully regulated. Regulated मतलब rules है, supervision है, सब कुछ है, नियम के हिसाब से ही function करता है, right? There is no here and there. हमेशा ये पथ पर चलना चाहिए तो वो पथ पर ही चलता है. If you have to stock खरीदा, आज के आज ही funds transfer करना चाहिए मुझे. Without that, the broker also will not buy for me, correct? If he knows me very well, he'll say, I'll buy it, transfer it in an hour's time और evening तक आप transfer कर दो. और brokers को भी ये है, वो जब stock खरीदते हैं, client के behalf वो भरते हैं पैसे. आपको मालूम है ये? Immediately they pay the stock exchange so that whoever has sold will get his share of money back. ठीक है? His share of money. So that has to be transferred easily. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 5 दिन, 3 to 5 days he will get his funds credited. 3 days में हो जाता है, T+2 days, right? Evening तक हो जाता है उसके अकाउंट में. तो अगर एक हाथ ऐसे ऊपर नीचे होता नहीं है, 99.99% होता नहीं है, because of all these rules and regulations, right? Basic objective is to protect the investors. Investors को protect करना है. मेरे भरोसे कर रहे तो उनको protection देना मेरा काम है. Are you following? And then market भी fair और efficient way में function होना चाहिए और everything has to be transparent. सबको क्या है करके पता चलना चाहिए. Are you following? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you clear?
Yes.
All of you? So the kind of
Yes, ma'am.
systematic risk बोला तो stock specific या market specific risk उसको avoid कर सकते हैं. Market में डाला तो शायद पैसा नहीं आएगा, ऐसा risk होता ही नहीं है. That is called as systematic risk, right? When I say economy specific risk, वो तो avoid कर ही नहीं सकते. Everybody has to go through. Market पूरा गिरा, I am also a part of the market, so I will have to be facing that loss. But जब खाली ये sector गिरता है या सिर्फ ये कैपिटल मार्केट में प्रॉब्लम है, then that can be averted. समझ में आ रहा है? ये सारे के सारे चीज if you observe in a nutshell, if I say investor protection is why capital market regulation takes place. Following all of you?
Ma'am, repeat third point. Reduction
Third
of
point is systematic risk. What is systematic risk? Systematic risk is specific only to a particular aspect. There are two types of risks, asystematic and systematic risk. ठीक है? Just give me a sec. I'll share my whiteboard. अच्छा ठीक है. Asystematic risk वो चीज है जब it can never be avoided. Like for example, अभी से मैंने एक स्टॉक खरीदा, ठीक है? पूरा इकोनॉमी गिर रहा है. Are you following? पूरा इकोनॉमी गिर रहा है. Then even I am related to I am connected with the economy, so I will have to face that problem. समझ में आ रहा है? सारे स्टॉक गिर गए तो क्या कर सकते हैं? समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is a systematic risk. उसका हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. But when it comes to systematic risk is specific, like only to capital market or only to stock exchange. That can definitely be avoided. Like for example, मनी मार्केट में डाला तो फंड्स वापस आ जाते, कैपिटल मार्केट में डाला तो फंड्स नहीं आते. दिस काइंड ऑफ रिस्क विल नॉट हैपन. करेक्ट? सेलर ने पैसा नहीं दिया तो मेरा नुकसान होएगा. सो ये सब आपको होता ही नहीं है. सो दिस इज the reduction of this happens, right? Or some stock is not becoming liquid because of company is not performing well, and then they I mean it is not projected to the investors. All these things are not happening in stock market. समझ में आ रहा है? कैपिटल मार्केट में ऐसे जो रिस्क स्पेसिफिक ना, कंपनी का रिस्क या क्रेडिट रिस्क, वो एरिया के स्पेसिफिक जो रिस्क है which can be easily avoided with regulation will not happen. We can avoid that, we can reduce that. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? I'll give you another example of
Yes, ma'am.
systematic and asystematic risk if you want. Systematic risk is stock specific. Asystematic risk is common to all, the entire economy. सब स्टॉक गिर रहा है, मेरा स्टॉक भी गिर रहा है, that is asystematic risk. Systematic risk is only banking stocks are falling, so I can always switch over to say oil stocks. Whichever I feel will go up. Following? What are the features and types and importance we will see. Secondary market, yeah. We will talk here about primary and secondary market. Before we go here, we will talk about primary and secondary market. Shall I share my whiteboard again? Are you finding it connected? We are just having a recap session.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll share my whiteboard. If you have any doubt, please message me in the chat box or even voice out. I don't mind. I'll explain it again to you. Okay? So now when I talk about, I'm sorry. When I talk about capital market has two segments. What are the two segments? Can somebody tell me? Who will tell me?
Primary and secondary market.
Primary, secondary.
I'll just remove this. So it has
Primary and secondary.
very secondary market. Secondary market. Okay. So what is a primary market? We just saw primary market is a market which issues security directly to his investor. Issuer is issuing the security to investor directly. That is what is primary market. समझ में आ रहा है? Whereas
Yes, ma'am.
Secondary market deals with securities that have already been sold by issuer to investor in the primary market, right? So primary market, we also call it as first time issue or first hand issue, right? So this is what we have been. Primary market, अभी जो भी capital market है, उसका एक पूरा नाम रहता है. We call capital market as industrial securities market. ठीक है? Capital market is called as industrial security market. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
प्राइमरी मार्केट को बोलते हैं, ऐसे ही एक नाम है प्राइमरी मार्केट का भी. कैन समबडी टेल मी? याद है तो?
New issue market.
Very good. New issue market. Right. New issue market. ठीक है? New issue market is primary market instrument. I mean, is called as other name. Any doubts here?
No, ma'am.
So
No, ma'am.
in all, whenever you talk about financial market, आपको कोई market physical नहीं है. Everything is virtual. Money market was over the phone market. Capital market आपको everything is on the computer, right? So you don't have a physical market. पहले stock exchange physical market था, पर आजकल everything is online. You buy and sell online. ठीक है? Following all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
तो नाउ तो ये पार्ट मेरा जब सेकंड प्राइमरी मार्केट ले रही थी, ये पार्ट रह गया था. सम आई मीन आई थिंक आई फॉरगॉट अबाउट इट. सो विल सी व्हाट आर द इश्यूज इन प्राइमरी मार्केट. ठीक है? टाइप्स ऑफ इश्यूज. टाइप्स ऑफ, ये वाला हमने किया नहीं है, वी आर डूइंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. ठीक है? इन प्राइमरी मार्केट. ठीक है? व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ इश्यूज? व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ इश्यूज इन प्राइमरी मार्केट?
Fresh issue.
वही फ्रेश इश्यूज क्या क्या है?
Shares.
Can I have what? I mean, more capital, either equity या preference. ठीक है? और equity share issue करती है, जिसको बोलते हैं follow on public offer. Initial public offer is for the first time when the company is going to operate in the land and it wants capital, it is going to call for via initial public offer. And if the company is already existing, it is already functioning, it needs more capital, supposing it wants to raise more equity shares, it will again float a form like IPO, but then that is called as FPO because it is already working, it only wants to expand the capital base. समझ में आ रहा है? जो कंपनी ऑलरेडी है, अगर उसको और कैपिटल चाहिए तो वो फॉलो ऑन पब्लिक ऑफर में जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No.
And then rights issue. Sorry. What is rights issue? What is rights issue? अभी एक चीज और याद रखो, जब हम बोलते हैं इश्यूअर टू इन्वेस्टर, टेक्निकली जब बात करते हैं, it is issuer will pass it on to the depository, depository will pass it on to investors. समझ में आ रहा है? So there is a middleman here. Depository will pass it on to the investor. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? इश्यूअर ने बस इतना शेयर मुझे इश्यू करना है करके डिपॉजिटरी को दे दिया. जैसे ही पैसे आते हैं, the depository is going to keep a track who has purchased, who has been allotted, and then depository is going to distribute those shares. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you following? See,
Yes, ma'am.
whenever we say issuer to investor, it is actually not typically issuer to investor. It is going to be issuer to depository, depository to investor. If you want, I'll write it here. Right? Whichever issue you talk about, it is going to be issuer to depository. ठीक है? Depository to investor. ठीक है? Are you following?
Ma'am, who is depositor?
Depository हमने बात किया था, याद है आपको? That institution which holds physical shares in electronic form. हमने एक पूरा टॉपिक लिया था इसका. अगर आपको डीमैट खोलना है, it all happens through depository. NSDL, CDSL वगैरह है ना? We'll again have a recap session of those also. Depository का भी चैप्टर लेंगे इसके बाद. ठीक है? Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am.
Who asked me who's depository?
Me.
Me matlab, was this?
No.
Did you understand now?
Little bit, ma'am.
देखो डिपॉजिटरी जो है आपको डीमैट अकाउंट में ही अभी शेयर्स ट्रांसैक्ट होते हैं, करेक्ट? सो उसका जो सेंट्रलाइज्ड इंस्टीट्यूशन है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डिपॉजिटरी. Now we will study about that when we already studied, but then we'll have a recap of that also when we are seeing the recap session. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All of you? Now what is rights issue?